Folks, good evening to all. I'm Tamil Maran. Today I'm here talk about Agile project management comparing with the Agile tool. Okay, so generally Agile is an exciting way to quickly deliver higher quality product to your customer. I'm trying to say Agile is an exciting way to quickly deliver higher quality product to your customer. Okay, so new agile tools are emerging every day, as you know, everywhere, I hope. So I'm here help you to compare the strength and capabilities of several different agile software tools, so including Microsoft Excel, Atlassian Jira version 1, Microsoft Team Foundation Server TFS, CA Agile Central, formerly Rally, and Agile Health. So you will see the advantages of agile tool like spreadsheets versus more complex solutions like complete product management packages. So I'm here to help you, project managers, software developers, and other professional, how they determine which tool is the best fit for their team. So I'm trying to say like actually we get different type of new agile tools like we can give examples like Microsoft Excel, Atlassian Jira version 1, Microsoft Team Foundation Server like TFS we used to call, and CA Agile Central, formerly we can say like Rally, and Agility Health. So you will see the advantages of simple tools like spreadsheets versus more complex solutions like complete product management packages. So in this course, I'm here to help you like project managers, software developers, and other professionals determine which tool is the best fit for their team. Agile exports provides a fast-paced and tough and where should look at what some of the tool get right and what some get wrong. And here I will conclude each section. I will here to conclude the which suggested strategic for selecting the right tool for your team. So always remembering that no tool should ever overshadow the core values outlined in the Agile Manifesto. I'm trying to say like every tool having their own merits and its own features. Every Agile tool is like a best tool only, right? So always remembering that no tool should ever overshadow the over values outlined in Agile Manifesto, right? And what to talk then? Like, so, what are the learning objectives? Can I say like determine the factor for choosing the best agile tool and distinguish the appropriate chart to use in agile tool and interpret and steps taken in the agile tool that are in the alignment with the agile practices. So analyze the best approach for creating a task board based on agile practices. So identify the agile best practices regardless of the tool used. Actually, two key elements for determining the agile transformation team, right? So whichever I told you in the types of agile tools, we'll see one by one. What to say? Let me explain about the evaluating different tools. Okay, and then we'll go. So how the exploring agile tool options for your projects and what should you know generally if you are using agile tool, and evaluating different tools. We have the different type of tools, is that? So how the remembering agile values, making tough choices, existing in the cloud obviously, and Microsoft Excel, seeing the benefit of Microsoft Excel and create a backlogs with Excel, shadow progress with Excel, and Atlas Jira. So how you log into Jira, build a backlog in Jira, set up sprints in Jira, and create task in Jira. configure your task board in Jira, use epics in Jira, end the sprint in Jira, see the team velocity in Jira, summary of Jira, and also version 1. If you take in version 2, whatever it's also part of like Agile tool. So log into version 1, review the version 1 layout and portfolio planning in version 1, and what other features can add in the version 1, import your backlogs in version 1, and what are the priority stories in version 1. So manage your request in version 1, create a release, and also plan a sprint in version 1, and what to say, task out stories in version 1, generate reports in version 1, summary of version 1. And when you look into Azure, like Microsoft Azure, it's also like part of like how the Azure of DevOps. I mean, what are the overview can be adopted and how to create Azure DevOps. That's the main. Also select the Scrum process, how to start the product backlogs, and how to organize the stories on backlog, how to add the stories in sprint. And there's so many points we can say. Also can create the task and sprint task board, use the dashboard to track progress, and advice on how to use Azure. And Rally, there is another tool we can say, like in Agile Central, how the formally Rally can use, like login Rally, set up workspace in Rally, similarly creating dashboard, creating sprint in Rally. So how you will be importing the backlogs in Rally, and how the release planning in Rally, sprint planning in Rally. So work with the dashboard in Rally, and run reports in Rally. And if you see in another one, Agility Health is Agility Health also, it's a type of Agile framework. So similarly, how you will log into Agility Health, and understanding your Agility Health radar, and poll the team Agility Health, check team analytics in Agility Health, and deciding what to use, right? So how you identify few tools, that's now our big challenges right now everywhere.
So,
So I am trying to say, we'll see on how the skill covered in Agile project management and management software, right? And okay, thanking you. We'll see for the further every injury, whatever I told you, Agile types of tools, we'll see how to use. Okay guys, cool challenge. Thank you.